Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, I'm going to show you how to share your screen during video and voice calls on the Telegram app. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your phone and find the chat of the person you want to share your screen with. If you don't have a chat yet, tap the pencil icon and select a contact to start a new conversation. Step 2. Once you're in the chat, tap the phone icon at the top right corner to start a call. You can choose between a video call or a voice call, depending on what you prefer. Step 3. After the call connects, you'll see a small video window at the bottom right of your screen showing your camera feed. Tap this window to open more options. Step 4. Tap the Start Video button at the bottom center of the screen. Then select the phone screen option from the menu that appears and tap the Share Video button. Step 5. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Tap Start Now to begin sharing your screen with the other person on the call. Step 6. You'll see a notification at the top of your screen telling you that screen sharing is active. You can now open any app and the other person will be able to see your screen. Step 7. To stop sharing your screen, simply tap the video window again and then tap the Stop Video button. You'll see a notification confirming that screen sharing has stopped. Step 8. You can continue your call or end it by tapping the red button at the bottom center of your screen. That's it. You've successfully shared your screen on Telegram. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful tech tips.